Today I'll walk you through how to create an embedded form in MailerLite so you can start collecting email subscribers directly on your website. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. An embedded form lives right inside your page, in your header, your sidebar, or at the bottom of a blog post, so visitors can sign up without ever leaving your site. That means less friction, more conversions, and a faster growing email list. To get started, open MailerLite and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Forms. This is where all your form types live: pop-ups, embedded forms, and promotion bars. So it's a section you'll be visiting often. Now click Create Form. MailerLite will ask you to choose a form type. Go ahead and select Embedded Form. Next, give your form a clear descriptive name. This is just for your own organization inside MailerLite. So something like Homepage Sidebar Form or Blog Footer Sign Up works well. Then choose the subscriber group where new contacts should be added. This step is important. It determines which list these leads flow into. So make sure you're pointing to the right group for your campaign or welcome sequence. When you're happy with those settings, click Save and Continue. Now you're inside the form editor, and this is where it gets fun. You can adjust the layout to match your site's style, tweaking the column structure, spacing, and button design. Start with the headline and description text. These are your first impressions, so make them count. A short, benefit-driven headline converts far better than a generic "subscribe to our newsletter." Something like "Get weekly tips free" tells the visitor exactly what they're signing up for. Next, take a look at your form fields. By default, you'll probably see a name field and an email field. You can add, remove, or reorder them depending on what information you actually need. Keep in mind that every extra field you add reduces your conversion rate slightly, so only ask for what you'll genuinely use. Before you move on, hit the preview button and check how the form looks on both desktop and mobile. Make sure the copy reads naturally and the layout feels clean. And that's it. You've now built a fully customized embedded form in MailerLite, ready to drop straight onto your website and start growing your list. Thanks for watching, and if this saved you time, leave a like and subscribe for more email marketing tutorials just like this one.